Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. And today I have this as a defrosting tray. So we're gonna give this thing a try. It says naturally speed up the thawing process, keep the original taste of frozen food. So if you're used to putting things in the microwave, well, you won't have to anymore with this, as long as you decide a little bit ahead of time, I guess. I think a microwave is still gonna be faster, but this is gonna be speed up the time of doing it on the counter. I don't have any meat right now, but we're gonna take a look at this and see how it works. And maybe I'll update it. I'll update in the comments a little later with how it works, because I will be going out later and getting some ground. I have ground turkey or something like that. I don't eat beef, but here we go. So this is what it looks like here. So this is the tray. It's got some weight to it, very aluminum tray. And I'm gonna see, I guess the way it works is these fins here dissipate the heat, kind of like if you've seen the inside of a computer and it has the cooling thing on top of the CPU or whatever, same concept here. So the heat dissipates through here, and this has contact with meat, so you gotta make sure you have a good contact with the meat, and then it will work its way through and the heat will be dissipated, or the cooled will come out through here and it'll defrost your meat. So it's very cool the way it looks, and you can see this is about the size of it. I'm gonna say it's about, I don't know, 7 inches across or so, and maybe 4 wide. So if you have a huge family that you're feeding with this, you're probably not gonna be able to do it, but you can fit a couple of steaks or some chickens or some burgers or whatever on here. You can probably fit, I don't know, 3 or 4 burgers, I guess, depending on how big you like them. So there we go. So this is what it looks like. So you can see what it looks like here as far as the unboxing goes. And as far as the defrosting goes, I'm gonna have to update that in the comments below, or maybe I will do another video. I'm not sure if I'll be able to video that, because it'll just be a time lapse of something defrosting, so you'll have to trust me on it anyway. So there we go. So I'll just update with the comments and in the description how well it worked. But it looks pretty cool. As far as these things, before I used to have one, and it was way too thin and light that it really just didn't dissipate any of the cold. So this one here's got some weight to it. It's got the fins, so I think it's probably gonna do a great job. I'm looking forward to it. So thumbs up, and this is what it looks like. So as far as the unboxing goes, there we go. And like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.